Alright, let's be real here. We all enjoy binge watching Netflix and watching videos for hours on end just because we have nothing to do, right? Well, while we were wasting so much time on that, we recently discovered that you can make money by watching videos online. For the majority of the time, you'd even get to choose what video you'd like to watch. We know it's hard to believe, but check out how much we've already received just by watching videos. Now that's definitely something. In today's video, we will show you how to earn money just by watching videos from the comfort of your own home as a complete beginner. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to make money online, and it starts now. Hi there! Welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this video, we're going to teach you the steps you need to take in order to start making real money by watching videos online. You will be paid through your respective PayPal accounts. That's where you are going to receive your payments. We're bringing 5 legit websites to you today that will pay you to watch videos online. All of these platforms will be paying you real money and real money only. Not coupons, not points, but real money. In this video, we are going to show you how you are going to get started for free. You won't need any skills, experience, or money to get you started. So when we say free, we mean free. Anyone and everyone can do this job. Of course, we are going to be naming the 5 best platforms to make the most out of the money that you are making and make sure that you're earning some decent money as well. And the last but most important thing that we would be including in this video is how to properly cash out the money that you've made through PayPal, because when we make money, we need to make sure that we are able to cash it out to actually be able to say that you have received your payment. So we are going to let you know how to do that as well. Now before we get into the video, hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video and to be the first ones to know a million more ways to make money online. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave your comments down below to show your support and tell us what you think. Without further ado, let's find out the best ways to make money online just by watching videos. Let's start this tutorial on our default browser. Now remember that I'm going to be showing you 5 different websites. So if the first 2 don't work out too well for you, then you still have 3 more to choose from. So don't worry and just hang in there. Now, enough with the chit chat and let's begin. Proceed by going onto the search engine of your choice and then typing in the first website that we are going to show you today, and that is grabpoints.com. As soon as you type that in, this is what you're going to have to see on your screen. Now, grabpoints.com has a lot of earning methods like taking paid surveys, watching videos, completing offers, and downloading apps. But since our main focus for today's video is watching videos, that is what we are going to be discussing. The payout threshold for grabpoints.com is $5. That's not too bad. That's actually a pretty low payout threshold, especially because there are some websites that only allow you to cash out if you've already earned up to $10 or so. That's a pretty good factor. To get you started, we want you to sign up on this website so that you can get into your account and see what it's supposed to look like inside. We'll just log into ours so we can show you an example. This is what it's supposed to look like inside your account. The first thing that you will see are some surveys that you need to answer to earn, and if you scroll down, you'll see more earning methods. If you look over to the left side of the web page, you'll see earn points, and then under earn points are home, surveys, watch, and offers. So right now we are on the home page. Let's go ahead and click watch so we can start watching to start earning. By the way, make sure that you keep watching to find out which platform would be the best platform out of all the 5 that we've mentioned. For now, let's discuss the first one on our list. Also, make sure that you pay attention carefully because there are steps you need to closely follow in order to actually get paid by watching videos. Now continuing on, once you click on watch, it will redirect you to this page, and this is how it's supposed to look like. Now we want you to hover on top of these 2 options because then you'll see the exact instructions or offer details. Then you can choose which offer you like the most so you can start watching. For this video, we are going to choose Lootably. Once you've clicked that, you'll be redirected again to this next tab wherein you will see all the videos that you need to start watching with their respective points beside it that you will earn by watching the video. Now, we're gonna go ahead and choose a random video to watch, and then once you've made your choice, you're gonna then be directed to another tab, but make sure you don't click off because you're almost there. Once you arrive at the new tab, they're going to ask you to sign up so that they can actually track your videos and actually pay you. Now we'll just go ahead and log into our account so we can show you what you're gonna see once you've signed up. Now you'll see all of the recommended videos for you to watch and earn from. Then once you've chosen the video you want to watch, click on that and then start watching and earning. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So that's basically our first website. Now a little disclaimer, you might not make $1,000 by doing this, but you can surely make a couple of dollars on each site, which still can help you earn a decent amount of money if you do it properly and follow the steps that we are giving. So that is it for our very first platform. Now let's move on to our second platform. Our second website is going to be superpay.me, and this is quite a satisfactory platform to make money by watching videos. The moment that you sign up, you can already earn your first 20 cents, and that's only just for signing up. So that is a great start. Now, if you are done signing up and you're in your account, this is how it should look like once you are inside your account. You're gonna then go to offer walls to see what you need to watch, but before that, we want to assure you that people are actually getting paid. Now here, you're going to see that all of these people actually receive a payout through their PayPal account through this website, just by watching videos, and you can also have a preview on how much the rest are actually earning through this method. Now to start watching videos and earning, you can go straight away to the offer wall, and then it's up to you to choose whatever you want to choose from the options under the offer wall, in which there are a lot of options that you can choose from. We're just going to choose engage videos for this video, and then as soon as you click on this, it's going to then redirect you to another video section page that you also saw in the first website that we showed you. But in this website, you have the freedom to choose any of the topics given or shown of your choice. This makes it so much more enjoyable to do since you can choose to watch something that actually interests you. So this is one of the factors that makes this website better than the first one that we showed you. That's why you need to stay tuned until the end of this video, as the websites just get better and better towards the end. Now, you're going to choose a video of your choice. Then, it will redirect you again to the actual video that you are going to have to watch. Now, make sure that you don't click away, because in this video section, you are going to have to sign up for an account in the video section as well, because you're not going to get your hard-earned points that will actually be sent as money to your PayPal account. Once again, do not go in the comment section down below to leave a response saying that this is a scam and you're actually not earning any money. This is why we emphasize that you need to follow step by step how to properly watch a video to actually start earning, because there are some crucial steps involved. So in order to really earn, you're going to have to follow through correctly. There really is a notice that in order to earn from the video that you chose to watch, you really have to sign up. So please do not neglect this step and sign up on hideout.tv so you can earn your points or money. It will then again redirect you to the sign up page once you click to sign up. Now, make sure that is done, and then you will now start receiving your points for watching these videos, and then from there you will actually be able to cash out your payment through the superpay.me website. And what you're going to have to do is go to rewards, and then you will see an option to withdraw cash, and that's basically it. Now let's get into the third website, which is inboxdollars.com. This is a pretty well-known website, and a lot of people are actually on this website to make money by watching videos. Just from simply signing up, you can already make $5 as a sign-up bonus, which, if you can remember, the previous website had the same benefit as well, but this is $5, and on the last website it was only 20 cents. So this website offers a relatively higher sign-up bonus, which means that this website is definitely better than the first two websites that we've discussed. We don't want to trick you into thinking that you can immediately cash out the $5 because you're actually going to need $10 to be able to cash out. So you still need more than the $5. As you can see on the homepage, it says that you can be rewarded for watching TV, taking surveys, and shopping and cash offers. But in this video, we're focusing on watching videos. So we're only going to focus on earning rewards from watching TV. So let's go ahead and see how this website actually works. So it says here that brands pay them for consumer input. We recruit members like you. You're also going to be doing online activities, namely paid surveys, paid videos and TV, redeeming free food and grocery coupons, paid shopping, and more. But like we mentioned, we are going to take a close look at the paid videos and TV part because that is the main focus of today's video. And lastly, you can really earn cash and not points or coupons or whatever else you may be thinking through this website. As we scroll down on this website, you're going to discover how to actually earn money, and all of this information is provided by the website itself. Since we are focusing on watching videos, we should read the watch videos information. And it says that big brands companies want consumers to watch short snippets of their content, like movie trailers or new product features. They pay us and we share a portion of those earnings with you. It is very clear from the given statement that you're receiving a part of their payment, and that's how you get paid through this method. So if you sign up right now using this purple sign up button that you will find at the most bottom part of the webpage, you will get a $5 sign up bonus straight away, and then you need to make another $5, maybe through watching videos this time, in order to cash out the full $10 that you have completed or have made. This is a pretty fair way to earn some good amount of money online, and this platform has been operating since the year 2000, which indicates how legitimate they are as a money-making website, and that it is a website you can trust that you can actually make real money from. Let's dive into this fourth one, which is called swagbucks.com. Now, most of you probably already know or maybe have an idea about this website since it is pretty famous. But if you don't, then I'm going to give you a rundown on how this website works and how you can actually start making money. On this website, you can earn free gift cards and cash for the daily things that you do online. You will see that under Earn Points, you are given a few options on how to earn, and then you will see that through this website, you can watch entertaining videos as a way of earning points, among others. But like we always mention, we are focusing on making money through watching videos, so you can do that on this platform. The points that you earn by watching videos can be sent to you as cash, and you can actually cash out from PayPal. If you want to earn a gift card, then that will work as well. But if you really just want to stick with cash earnings, then there is no problem with that either. Again, you don't make thousands off of watching videos on this website or the previous websites discussed, but you can make a decent amount of money where it's legit and real. So if you want to sign up on this website, you can simply click the sign up button, which is at the bottom of the webpage. It is completely free, it is fast and easy to follow. You can immediately start as soon as you're done watching this video. Our fifth and final website for today's video is going to be picoworker.com. This is actually a pretty good website to start making your very first buck online. Through this website, you will find job listings that require you to click on websites, and from that, you will be able to earn money right away. Earning money has never been so easy. You have so many jobs to choose from. The ones you first see are some small jobs. Small jobs would be enough to get you started on making your first dollar or two, and they are the quickest to do as well as the easiest. Most of the time, there are offers wherein you can watch videos and earn from them, but there is also a lot here where you can simply just check out a website, and from that alone, you can already earn. Since these are job listings, they change every day, and that is why it's always different jobs each day, but still methods of earning. As of right now, there is no video watching example that I can show you because the listings today are different. But all of these other listings, as you can see, they are all pretty easy and simple to do. So if you're also considering exploring outside of just watching videos, then this website is the perfect one for you. If you are able to, you can click on all of the job listings that require you to just click on a website, and you'll make about 20 cents right off the bat just by clicking on a website. I know we all know that 20 cents isn't a lot, but if you keep clicking and trying out the different small jobs, then you'll be able to start collecting, and eventually your cash will be dollars. As we continue on scrolling down, you're going to see more and more jobs emerge that are very simple to do and that you can get started on right away to finally start making money. Pi Coworkers has also been operating for many years now, so this is another website or platform that you can trust, that you can make actual money from. So make sure you sign up to this website right now. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.